I'm Britt, creator of The Style Shaker. I've tested thousands of products so you know what to buy and what not to buy. Today I'm sharing 3 quick things I want you to know before you buy the Rose Inc Cream Bronzer. As always, you can access an in-depth scorecard review back on the website. First up, we're going to talk about payoff. Overall, the payoff here was very subtle and very natural looking. I would say it absolutely followed through on the claim of giving a sun-kissed glow to the skin. I'm actually wearing it right now. The other claim here was that it's a cream to powder. I didn't experience that much. I still felt a little bit of moisture, albeit very lightweight moisture with this one. But yeah, it didn't go straight into a powder to me, but it didn't feel oily. Building this up was actually pretty easy to do as well. It didn't get super duper intense in terms of bronzing, which could be a plus or a negative for some people. I feel like this is a really hard cream bronzer to screw up. You can keep building and it's not going to look costumey. My skin just kept looking like skin. If you're looking for that like high drama glam bronzer, you can play around with shades here a bit. There are 4 shades available, but you might want to try something else, and I'm going to talk about that later in the video. P.S. The brush that changed the game for me was the Sigma F15 brush here. I picked it up mistakenly and it was the best mistake ever. It applied the product really well. I don't think you have to buy the Rose Inc brush. Do you have a favorite bronzer brush? Actually, I would love to know. Leave a comment below with that. Let's talk a little bit about finish. P.S. No one is paying me to say the following. You are getting my honest review here as always. If you're finding this review helpful, then please hit that like button. It helps support the channel in a really big way. Finish. I fell in love with the finish of this as a cream bronzer. It is dry winter air out here right now. My dry winter skin responded really favorably to this. The finish just looked incredibly, I keep saying the word natural, it's just a skin looks like skin bronzer that doesn't look too heavy. It really just looks like a warm glow. And it's also not orangey. The kawaii color for me was really nice because it didn't skew to orange. So I was happy about that too. There is squalane in this. So Rose Inc is known for being a skincare meets makeup company. The squalane is moisturizing. There's also vitamin C, which, okay, whatever. But the squalane gave a little bit of bounce. There's quartz, there's tourmaline. Those are supposed to give this illumination look and not look shimmery or glittery. And I would say it absolutely followed through on that. The only downfall on finish here is the skincare claim that it's supposed to blur pores. I personally did not see that at all, so it got a ding for me there. Finally, the wear test did a really great job and held on nicely. I think for those that have super oily skin types, I would take a dusting of setting powder, put it on underneath of this, apply this on top, and that would really help it kind of hold on for me for the rest of the day. That's just an application tip. 8 hours, held on like a champ. I really like this bronzer, if you couldn't already tell. I am not, however, sure if it's going to make Britt's picks, mainly because of the packaging. I love that the brand has refillable packaging in other products. I kind of wish it was like that here. They do use PCR, but I am trying to personally get away from that. If it weren't for that, this would be a no hesitation, yes. If you want to know what Britt's picks is out of the thousands of products that I try, there is one list of my current top favorites. Right now it's 10, I'll probably bump it up to 20. So if you want to check that out, link below. I'll tell you what though, I definitely preferred this cream bronzer to the one that is currently on your screen. I would recommend it over that one for sure, but you can click through to that video if you want to keep looking for bronzers. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.